What are the historical origins of the hearsay rule? Imagine sitting in a courtroom hundreds of years ago, where justice was often based on what people said, not what they could prove. The hearsay rule has roots that go way back, all about making sure evidence is trustworthy. Back in the 1400s, courts started to realize that statements made outside the courtroom might not be reliable. They wanted to prevent unfair convictions based on untested claims. During that time, judges and juries valued live testimony given under oath because it allowed for cross-examination. This meant the person testifying could be questioned directly, helping to reveal the truth. By the 1500s, courts shifted focus to statements made inside courtrooms. They believed that seeing a witness speak and observing their demeanor was more trustworthy than hearsay. Out-of-court statements were seen as less reliable because the opposing side couldn't challenge the original speaker. The rules became clearer in the 1700s, when courts decided that hearsay could only support other evidence, not stand alone. This was mainly to stop wrongful convictions based on unchallenged statements. The main reasons for the hearsay rule are fairness, reliability, and protecting the integrity of the trial process. Historically, there were many abuses, like secretive trials or accusations based on confessions made outside court. During the Tudor and Stuart periods in England, defendants fought for the right to confront witnesses face to face. This helped prevent convictions based solely on hearsay. In the United States, the hearsay rule became very strict after the 1813 Supreme Court case Queen v. Hepburn. That case showed how hearsay could be used to deny justice, especially in cases involving enslaved people. The rule was designed to make sure only evidence that could be tested and challenged was admitted in court. For criminal defense, understanding where the hearsay rule comes from shows why courts are cautious about hearsay evidence. It's all about protecting defendants from wrongful convictions based on unverified statements. The rule also recognizes that sometimes out-of-court statements are trustworthy and necessary, so there are exceptions. Overall, the history of the hearsay rule reflects a long effort to keep trials fair and evidence reliable, especially the right to confront witnesses and challenge their statements.